The next tab of the MSA Analyzer is your Sources and Uses tab. This provides a comprehensive view of all the sources of cash at closing, as well as all the uses of that cash at closing. This is very similar to what you would find on the Summary tab, on the Sources and Uses section of the Summary tab, but a more comprehensive view. Similar to our previous tabs, you have the Performance banner at the top of the tab, your sources of cash at closing at the top, and the uses of cash right below that. And there's a chart which shows the breakdown of the sources and the uses of cash. There's a more comprehensive sources and uses that details the total acquisition period, so from month 1 all the way to your whole period. This can sometimes slow down the analyzer if you have this turned on. So for my deal, I usually turn it off unless there's something specific that I wanted to look at for the sources and uses throughout the whole period. This sources and uses section provides information at acquisition, and the bottom table looks at acquisition and the whole period. So if you turn that on, it takes a little bit of time to do the analysis, and you can see all your sources and uses from acquisition all the way through exit. But I usually turn this off just because it slows down my analysis. And you want to make sure that the sources and uses validation is checked. If there's an error, then you want to make sure your sources matches your uses. If you have any additional questions, please review the tutorial PDF provided or visit us at www.msanalytica.com.